Sharing a Bluesky post on Discord but not seeing a preview? Here's how to properly embed Bluesky links so they display correctly. Start by opening Bluesky and navigating to the specific post you want to share. Click the three-dot menu on that post and select the Copy Link option. Once the link is copied, open Discord and go to the server or direct message where you want to share it. In the message box, paste the full Bluesky link directly into the chat. Make sure you do not place the link inside code blocks or surround it with extra formatting, as that can prevent the embed from loading. Press Enter to send the message, and within a few seconds, Discord should automatically generate a preview showing the post content and profile details. If the embed doesn't appear, double-check that link previews are enabled in the server settings and that you pasted the complete URL. Once the link preview appears, others in the Discord channel can easily view the Bluesky post directly from the embed. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.